If your Steam downloads are stuck at 0%, frozen, or refusing to start, clearing the download cache is one of the quickest fixes you can try. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the Steam download cache in just a few clicks, and I'll also explain what happens afterwards so you know what to expect. This is a simple fix, and it can help Steam re-download clean data when temporary files become corrupted. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer. In the top left corner of the Steam client, click Steam. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Downloads. This is where Steam keeps all of your download-related options. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find the Clear Download Cache button. This is the option you want. Click Clear Download Cache and Steam will ask you to confirm before continuing. Go ahead and click Confirm. At this point, Steam will automatically shut down and restart. That is completely normal, so don't worry if the app closes by itself. Once it opens again, you'll need to sign back into your account. So before you start, make sure you have your Steam password ready and that Steam Guard is available if you use it. That login step is important because clearing the cache signs you out of Steam. Now, if you're wondering why this actually works, here's the simple explanation. Steam stores temporary chunk files while it is downloading or updating games. Sometimes those files get corrupted, and that can cause downloads to get stuck, freeze, or fail to launch properly. Clearing the cache removes those temporary files and forces Steam to rebuild them from scratch, which often fixes the issue right away. The good news is that this does not delete your installed games, and it does not remove your save data. It only clears the temporary waiting area Steam uses before content is fully installed. So if you were worried about losing your games, you can relax. This is a safe troubleshooting step and one of the best first things to try when Steam downloads are acting up. If you're using a shared computer, just be extra careful and make sure you have access to the correct account details before doing this. After you sign back in, try your download again and see if it starts normally. In many cases, that is all it takes to get things moving again. So to quickly recap, open Steam, go to Settings, click Downloads, select Clear Download Cache, confirm the prompt, and then log back in when Steam restarts. That's the full process. If this video helped you fix your Steam issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.